is the only darkness. Never assume that because a man has no eyes, he cannot see.
You gon' stop, keep it certified. Hit us in our PM, not the raw. Pop out 2020, color in the